welcome to Ainsley's Cooking Show. I'm your host, Ainsley Seifer, and today we'll be making a traditional Wampanoag breakfast meal called Masup. Let's get cooking. For this meal, you will need 2 cups of corn grits, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 cup of milk, and 4 cups of water. Carefully add 4 cups of water into a pot. Then bring to a boil. Now add 2 cups of corn grits. Stir thoroughly. Turn down the heat to low. Now add 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 1 cup of milk. Stir once more. Now put in a bowl and enjoy.